Hey guys, just here, welcome back to another episode, and today we're going to be playing Slime Rancher, boys. Now, it's currently 5:23 in the morning, Tuesday. Soon, like 6, I think, Mom will be getting up, yelling down my stairs, "Time to wake up, Pete!" And go in the shower for school. So I gotta do this very quickly. So let's just play some Slime Rancher. Now, I'm pretty excited for this game because it's like Island Saver, but I've never played it, never seen it, never heard of it until one of my friends actually brought it up. So I'm quite excited to play this, even though I just woke up and I'm tired. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far, Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. She's playing as a female. Let's get moving. Whee! Oh, that's what it toggles. Jump. What was it? Whoa. The Star Mail. And then they had a van. Okay, so it is kind of like what is this? Island Saver. That's it. What are these? What is this? That was expensive. What is this? Plot market. Oh, plort market. Okay. The plort market is the network of buyers and sellers of plorts across the galaxy. What are plorts? What is this? Oh. It's a slime! Here's it right in. Okay, nice. Slime. What is this? Okay. Is this like a pen or something? Oh, it's plort collector. Using high walls. Auto feeder. Wait, can they not get out? But they can go right through it. Was I supposed to do that? What in this little dealie? Oh, I can walk right through. What is this? Other upgrades. A jetpack. Oh, I want a jetpack. That sounds so cool. What is this? Range exchanging offline. Oh, okay. Be more slimy. Where's more slimes? Food like fruits, veggies, or chicken are used to feed slimes. Try shooting at pink slime and they'll eat anything. Eat. Oh wow. Just swallowed that thing. Whoa, what is this? A pink plort. When slimes eat, they make plorts. Okay, so we go over here. Head on over to the plort market. I didn't even get to read all that. Oh, I got money. Oh, so these are plorts, and that's the price of them. So we got pink slimes, and then I'm wondering what these things are. I wonder what they all are. They all look pretty cool. Need more slimes. You, I see you in the bushes. No, I don't. What is this? This is another. This is an expansion. The Overgrowth. 1,000 coins. Yeet. You might get in there. Oh, let's go out here. Where's this lead? The dry reef. Oh, there's so many. Give me all of them. It's like Overgrowth. We need all the gear. Can I find a new stuff? Actually, I'll venture pretty hard finding new stuff. Hello guys, I'm Phil. There we go, okay, now we got 80. All those chickens! Where would new slimes be? I have no clue where I'm going. Oh, what are these? Rock slimes. Cool. Rock slimes. I'll take one more and then I'll head home. Oh, there's a kitty one? What? Actually, I'll just... Oh, in the top right. Diet, everything. A tabby slime. Oh, it's so cute. I'll come back and get you, maybe. A rooster. Food type meat. Whoa. I sucked up water. Okay, let's go. Here, plort. We got nice 10 plorts. Nice. So it's basically the shits. And we're selling the shits for money. Nice. What is this? Hello, Vutrix. The name's Hobson. Twilgers? Rancher explorer and the former owner of this here ranch. You now call your own? Pleased to make your acquaintance. I was a rancher for more years than I can remember, and I felt there was one last adventure left in me, so I set off to find just that. But before I go, I'm taking one last tour around this here land I love. So keep your peepers peeled for the notes like these if you want to hear what an old coot has to say every now and again. Be talking to ya. H. Will it just disappear? No, it just stays there. Okay. Slimed! I got you, friends. There's one out. Oh, wait. Oh, I know there's one. Meow, 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 meow. No! One came out. Fell out. Rocky slimes. Am I gonna eat that? Where's Snoop and Jones? Oh, 250. Yes. The rock slimes. Yours is veggies, right? Yeah. 4. Lord. Ow. I can hurt you. Make me a plort. Can I do anything else with plorts? And plorts. Wait, can I feed them shit? I don't know if feed them their own shit. Have a shit. Whoa! Whoa! It's a big pink. So wait, if I just... Oh, and I can't suck them up. Oh, guys. Oh my Largo. Largo slimes are large slime hybrids formed when a slime eats a plort unlike its own. Dude, that's sick. Have it up. You all get one. Oh, and they roll. Cool. Now I need to sell these. Okay. I got a lot of carrots. What else can I make? I never looked at the others. Corral. Garden. A garden might be useful. A coop. A silo, an incinerator, and a pond. What's the pond for? What are you doing this with this? Wow. It looks like there's a slime in it. Unless there's a slime that goes in the pond. Eat it. Oh, they eat everything because they're combined with pink. Ow, you cunt. Ow. Ow, ow. It's just... here. Eat all of them. And leave. Uh-oh. Now, how do I collect the bullets without collecting that? I don't want to collect this one. Give me your ports. 16. Nice. How much money will we get from this? I got 354. Oh, they ate the hen. They give me 2. Oh, yeah. God. Little cock weasel. Eat those. Oh, there's a port just okay. Can I make it down here? Ugh. I didn't. So wait, can I suck up water? Maybe I can't do it from here. Maybe it's too high. Why is the carrots up here? Catch. I got an achievement. Catch. Shoot food into an airborne slime spout. Ooh. We need more rock slimes. Oh, what are these? Phosphor. Nodes of starlight. Can they only stay out at night? Because that's the only time I've ever saw them. Shoots. Yeah. Okay. You. Phosphors. Not at night. Flying. Yeah. Okay. Flying about the moonlit range. Sometimes special needs compared to typical science life, and its plorts will quickly vanish if exposed to sunlight. So we need to keep these guys away from sunlight. Okay. How would I do that? There's not any. I'll just. Wait, what do they eat? Food. Okay, so I can just feed them here and get phosphorus. Eat. Oh, there's a pink one. There's a gigantic pink one. Yes. Oh wait, wrong. No, wrong thing. Wrong thing. I want this. Me. Sorry, plot. Boss. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, any more fruits? I did see this tree up here. So welcome back. Come on, where's some more fruits? Before sunlight appears. Oh Jesus, there's a lot of them. I need fruits, fruit. There's nothing on it. Damn it. Is there any more trees in here? Oh, where are we going now? Oh, Tabby, give me the Tabby. Get up. I have 3. I thought I had 4. I have 4. Okay, now we got all the pink. Oh, give me. Oh wait, if they're mixed with the pink, that means they can eat everything, right? So if we go get something else, like a hen I saw back here. I think I saw it up here. And then they've probably been eaten now. What's up here? Can't even get up there. No. Well, you can get up here. Ooh, parkour. Oh, and let's just stuff. Nothing. Okay. I'm out of stamina now. Gains your staminas. Need a drink. Okay, we're good. Tabbies. I need pink tabbies. Because if I get pink tabbies, then that means I can. Means I can eat anything. What was the diet anyway? Meat, so they have to eat chickens. Buddy. Any more ports? Will they get out? We don't have things. Oh, I have to sell these at night too, because if it touches the light, it'll. 19. Fast it goes. This is giving me a island saver vibe. Give me your words. We might get a garden actually. Yeah, we'll get a garden. Put in. Shoot fruit or veggies into the depository. Okay. Let's go get something to put in here. Carrots not done? Nope. Where are some fruits and vegetables? Oh wow. Another tabby. Boards. There you go, another tabby. Now where am I going? Oh, here, we're back to the pink phosphorus. And more quartz. Oh, another port. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a crate. Can I break it open? What is this? Can't break it open. Oh wait, I can! Carrots! I can plant these now. Get my stamina back up. Shoot, okay. Garden time. There we go, growing. How long will it take? Does it say? Will it take very long? Okay, now just... Hey, go in. We'll feed my pink tabbies, my pink kitty cats. Yo! Well, yeah, I thought I had... There you go. Dang it. Now eat a carrot. So it's a happy port Move. Yeah, it's happy port. Nice. How much should these be sold for? 24. They're the highest besides the rock one. Nice. Where's your mark? That one's happy. Looks like that, huh? Oh yeah, his faces look like that. Is it? These guys are happy. These guys are happy. Can I? Oh, you can get nutrient soil. Sprinklers, scare slime. Cool. Can I get an upgrade? I want to be able to hold more. Water tank. What's a water tank? Store fresh water. Oh, I can. Yeah. I can hold 30. Or 40. Oh, I can get 30 now. Nice. Okay, guys, that's going to be all for this episode, though. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.